So now we're back again with another section, and for this one we are going to be taking a look at our own categories, right? And basically the categories, I left everything like for the admins, because of course there's no user that's going to be creating categories in database. We're going to be creating our own categories. We are going to be updating them, deleting them, and everything. So basically if we click on this now, it of course will show object not found, because there in categories-admins the show categories is still an HTML page. So if we rename, if we go PHP, we go now, refresh, you can see that we got our own page down here. All right, so now if we click on the page, you can see that we're having our own header. It's still static. So if we go remove all of this, pick up a couple of things from here. I don't want to create this whole thing from scratch. You might be bored right now and rolling your eyes. You will roll your eyes right away if I did this, because I've already did 1,000 times. So we're gonna go back to a step back and go to layouts. Down here we're gonna go for the header, and here we're getting our own config. So it's basically the same thing. And if we go down here, we take all of this, and we require our own footer. Still have layouts /footer. So if we save all of this, I'm guessing it will give us now everything. So now we got everything that we need. Now if we click on this, it will go back to admins. This will go back to our own categories. So it's looking great. Now all what we need to do is just go ahead and display our own data right here at this table. All right, so we can go ahead now and we can go for admins. We'll pick up this. It's basically looks the same. Right, so we have admins. We're gonna change this to categories. And this one to categories. One to categories down here. And we have our own categories. Maybe 7 is fine. If we limit this to 7, you can limit it to whatever number that you like. And we're gonna select all from categories. Executing, we are gonna put the whole thing, the whole fetch, the whole data inside of our own variable, which is rows. And we can go down here, keep this as capital, update and delete, and we need only one tr, so we can go ahead and remove those all two, because we're going to be displaying it dynamically with our own for each categories as category. No, this was not categories, this was rows. The names are just stuck. We're saying it for every rows we have. We need to get this object, and we need to get the data inside it. So yeah, this is the name, echo row name. All right, and for this one, let's pick up any kind of link, main panel, admins, and for this one, yeah, we need to be like doing this, but later. Let's focus on this for now. href, clean blog, admin, dash panel. And here what we have is the update category. Let's rename this PHP. Let's copy this whole thing. All right, /admin, not admins, it's categories dash admins / update dash category .php, and we are gonna give it like an ID, maybe UBD. Maybe we'll just keep it up underscore ID. All right, and this will be equal to PHP echo out our own ID. So when we're actually going to be click on it, we will go to a form so we can update our own categories, and we're gonna finish it like this. And now we can copy this whole thing just to was the update, just like what we did down here. So we can go. So it's basically the same, unless here delete dash categories .php, just de underscore ID, and yeah, so it's basically, yeah, we have, it's telling us that we're having some kind of error. I don't know what it is. Yeah, we did not actually end the for each, but that's fine. So they're basically the same. We can just go ahead. We did not create actually the delete just yet, so we're gonna be going delete dash category .php. Okay, that's fine. We're not gonna be doing anything with it for now. We're gonna go ahead now and end this, and let's see what we got. So end for each. You can see the error is gone now. All right, so I'm guessing that that's what we need. This is like the whole thing for the categories, and if we save now, we go ahead, refresh, we can see that we're having our own categories, sports, tech, programs, but we're having the same ID down here, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, we actually, maybe we're having some kind of problem. Yeah, this is, we actually forgot to echo out the ID. Yeah, dynamically. So, excuse me. And you can see that down here we got our own categories, and this is actually it. Maybe we'll like remove the word category because it's making our own buttons a little big, and that's a bit annoying. So we can remove this and remove this. If we refresh, you can see that it looks a little bit neater. So yeah, this is it for this one, and in the second video I'm going to show you how to create your own categories. So bye.